Are you struggling to display product prices with and without tax on your PrestaShop 1.7 product page? You're not alone. Many users have faced this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you want to provide clear pricing information to your customers, but the platform just doesn't cooperate. This is a common issue for many PrestaShop users. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if there is a workaround for displaying product prices with and without tax in PrestaShop 1.7, especially since the code structure has changed significantly from version 1.6. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, why is this happening? In PrestaShop 1.7, the way templates are structured has changed, which can make it tricky to implement features that were straightforward in earlier versions. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you enhance your product page even further. To display the product price with and without tax in PrestaShop 1.7, the user should first locate the product template file. This file is typically found in the Themes folder of the PrestaShop installation. Next, the user needs to open the product template file in a code editor. Here, they will find the section where the product price is displayed. Now, the user should modify the code to include both the price with tax and the price without tax. This can be done by using the appropriate PrestaShop functions. After making these changes, the user should save the file and clear the cache in PrestaShop. This ensures that the changes take effect on the front end. Finally, the user can check the product page on their website to see both prices displayed correctly. This will confirm that the changes were successful. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of PrestaShop was released back in 2007? It has come a long way since then, evolving to meet the needs of online retailers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for displaying prices with and without tax in PrestaShop 1.7 suggests using the format price method instead of the deprecated display price method. This change is applicable from version 1.76 onward. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always back up your files before making changes. This way, if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your original settings. And there you have it. You should now be able to display product prices with and without tax on your PrestaShop 1.7 product page. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.